Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by capturing the exact runtime error and which app fails, because that guides which redistributable you need. Once done, make sure Windows Update is current and restart to avoid transient issues. Then open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These repair core system files that the Visual C++ runtime depends on. Doing this first often fixes corrupted framework files and saves time before reinstalling redistributables. Next, you tackle the redistributables. Open programs and features and uninstall duplicate or clearly broken Microsoft Visual C++ entries, but keep versions needed by specific apps. Then download the latest supported Visual C++ redistributable packages for 2015-2022 and run both x86 and x64 installers. Choose Repair when available because it preserves app compatibility. If Repair fails, uninstall then reinstall each package. Make sure to match bitness and app requirements, since 32-bit programs still. Finally, reboot and run the failing application to validate the fix. Then inspect Event Viewer under Windows Logs application for any remaining error codes to pinpoint missing modules. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to rule out third-party conflicts, and consider system restore to a point before issues began. As a targeted recovery tip, install the exact older Visual C++ redistributable version the app expects. Some legacy software requires a specific build, so you avoid compatibility mismatches and get the program running again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.